Welcome to Tallo. Today we'll walk you through how you can utilize Tallo's resume builder to create a customized resume based on the information that you have in your profile. It is important to note that you will want to make sure that the pieces of your profile are complete, such as profile details and preferences. This is where Tallo will pull to create your customized resume. Once you're ready to go, make sure you're in the Home tab, and on the left, select Create Resume. What's exciting about this feature is that you can translate the information that you've included on your profile into a comprehensive downloadable resume. And this is going to allow you to get one step closer to applying for your next big opportunity. On the left side, it has populated all of those wonderful details that you have included about yourself on your profile. You simply select what information you want to include on your resume. You can select your skills, any badges, your bio, school, test scores, and as you can see, it populates it over here into your very own digital resume. You can export this resume as a PDF or export it as a doc. And what's great is that you can customize and add or remove any pieces of this resume builder to make sure it matches multiple opportunities that you're applying for. Good luck and enjoy your journey on Tallo.